how to update Waze application. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Waze application. Updating the Waze application ensures that you have the latest features and bug fixes. Here's how you can update your Waze application on your device. First of all, you will need to find Play Store application on your device. And now once you find it, tap on it to open it. Wait for the app to open, and once it opens, here at the top you will find the search bar. Use the search bar at the top and type Waze there. Once you type in Waze in the search bar, now press the search icon from your keyboard. Once you do so, within a second you will be presented with the search results. Here find Waze application. Once you find this Waze application, here at the right side of it, you will find the blue button. Here, if an update is available, you will see an update button. You just simply have to tap on this update button to start updating the application. This will automatically download and install the latest version. But instead of this update, if you see open button right next to it, like here, then it means your app is already up to date. You don't need to update it now. Maybe in the future, if it requires update, you can simply follow the steps and update your application. Now, if you see the update button, you will need to tap on it and the app will automatically install the latest version. You can see the progress in the notification bar. And once the update is complete, you can open the app directly from the Play Store by tapping on this open button right here. And after successful update, you will find new features or changes that might have been added to your Waze application. So in this way, you can update your Waze application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.